The Earth is a fortunate place, gifted with numerous riches and natural resources that make life easier for us. One of them is the ocean, which provides us with food, energy, and a place for recreation. However, it is not the only ocean that exists in the solar system. For in the distance, outside our planets, are hidden sinister and impressive seas that double the size of the Earth. Up next, a journey is waiting for us, a journey to those impressive and extreme oceans that are hidden in space. Number 5. The magma ocean of Io. Io is one of the moons of Jupiter that has more than 400 active volcanoes. This makes it the most volcanic object in the solar system. Such volcanic activity may be due to an ocean of underground magma 50 kilometers below its surface. This ocean of magma remains in its molten state through two spectacular methods of heat generation. One of them is caused by the massive gravity of Jupiter. However, it is also due to the proximity to Europa, whose gravity distorts the orbit of Io until it becomes an oval. This peculiarity keeps the magma ocean in a liquid state, which induces volcanic chaos on the surface. Number 4. The diamond oceans. A diamond is one of nature's hardest materials, but if given the right conditions, it may exist in a liquid state. These conditions can be found in two planets of our solar system. These are Neptune and Uranus. Beneath their atmospheres, both planets have similar mantles, composed of ice, ammonia, and methane. Due to their massive weights, their mantles are under a colossal amount of pressure, where the temperature oscillates between 1,727 degrees Celsius and 4,727 degrees Celsius. It is under these extreme conditions that methane decomposes into its basic component producing carbon, which under immense pressure forms diamonds. It is estimated that both worlds are made up of at least 10% carbon. So the hypothetical scenario of a whole sea made of liquid diamonds with large icebergs of the same material floating on it is not a crazy idea. Number 3. The subterranean ocean of Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon of Jupiter and also of the solar system. And according to observations made with the Hubble Space Telescope, this moon could house a large underwater ocean that contains more liquid water than there is on Earth. This large mass of salt water would be about 100 kilometers deep, about 10 times the Earth's deepest ocean, and would lie under a 150 kilometer thick crust, mostly made of ice. This discovery opens the fascinating possibility that there is life beyond Earth. Number 2. The underground oceans of Enceladus. Enceladus is the 6th largest satellite of Saturn with about 500 kilometers in distance. It is basically a frozen moon. But recently, thanks to NASA's Cassini spacecraft, it has just discovered an underground ocean of liquid water near its south pole. From there, water jets are ejected as geysers to the surface. The oceans of Enceladus would be between 18 and 24 kilometers below the thick and frozen surface. This discovery is significant because it opens the possibility that Enceladus is a habitable world, since in the steam jets are also detected salts and organic molecules. Number 1. The ocean of Kepler-62e. The planet Kepler-62e orbits a red dwarf star that has at least 5 planets captured in its orbit. 2 of them are in the important habitable zone. However, one of them is slightly further away from its parent star, and it is likely that this planet is completely frozen. On the other hand, Kepler-62e can be home to huge oceans. Although the ocean has only been theorized through several models, the probability of an existing global ocean in this distant world is quite high. However, until we get close to this exoplanet, we will never know for sure if it is a human world in a distant solar system. Zero Zone. The largest ocean in the solar system. Underneath the destructive clouds of 50 kilometers of thickness of Jupiter is a gigantic ocean of liquid hydrogen. This sea covers 78% of the planet's radius and is 54,531 kilometers deep. To put that into perspective, the deepest point of the Earth's oceans lies in the Mariana Trench, which lies a mere 11 kilometers below the surface. But not only is the size of the ocean incomprehensible, so are the conditions under which it exists. In order to convert the hydrogen gas into a liquid, it is necessary to compress it with an incredible amount of pressure, approximately 100 million times the atmospheric pressure of the Earth. Under these conditions, liquid hydrogen within Jupiter acquires a characteristic known as liquid metallic hydrogen. Due to the characteristics of this ocean, it could be said that Jupiter houses not only the largest ocean in our solar system, but also one of the most extreme. However, the pressure of this planet simply cannot be recreated on Earth, so this is only a theory at this time.